So mga kabeshi ko, mga kamarites ko, doon na po tayo sa exciting part. Kasi syempre alam naman natin, alam ko na alam ninyo na talagang may sarili-sarili tayong manok pagdating sa beauty pageant. And of course, alam din naman natin na talagang matindi ang labanan ngayon. Yes, of course, I can see that the fight is on fire. And you know, as you can see talagang they are all on the top. And of course, guys, isa pa itong kandidata na ito coming from Taguig, si Christy McGarry. Talagang she's really absolutely total package. The communication skill was perfect. The aura is perfect. The passion, the styling of the gown was perfect. And of course, the way she walked the pasarela was amazing. And of course, talagang she's so strong. Really, Christy McGarry, Miss Universe Taguig, was on my pick. Hello mga kabesh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga kabesh, I really wanted to share with you about what really happening right now in Miss Universe. I know that, you know, there's a lot of pasabog and there's a lot of need to make a video reaction. So first of all, the viral, you know, video, the scandal that it was exposed in social media about Mami Ann, about the management, the organization of Miss Universe that was in Mexico. And of course, we are all excited because all those candidates, how many candidates that are representing for Miss Universe Philippines 2024, at I think it will be 55 candidate, and I was so amazed because all of them, yes, of course, all of them are really qualified and deserving to win the crown. Who will be your Miss Universe Philippines 2024, and who will be your big fan for Miss Universe? Who's this lucky girl who will get and bring home the crown for Miss Universe Philippines 2024? And guys, mga kabeshi ko, mga kamarites ko, I know it was really tough. I really, you know, I feel like, you know, shaking. I feel like, oh my God, this is it. This is it. There's a lot of candidates who are really pushing themselves to be get on the crown. And of course, Miss Taguig, Miss Pasig, Miss Iloilo, Miss Quezon Province, Miss Pampanga, Miss Baguio, Miss Quezon City, Miss California, South Carolina, if I'm not mistaken, Miss London or Yuki, Miss Yuki. So there's a lot of candidates who are deserving to win the crown, and I'm very, very happy for that because the beginning, it is, you know, parang sinasabi lang, oh, ito si Atisa sa sabak to, o ito si Miss Taguig sa sabak to. So ang dami talagang haka-hakaan. Now this is the time na conference sila so sila, in-interview sila ng mga beauty pageant, inato sila, kumbaga first meeting nila, at of course talagang hotspot talaga si Miss Atisa, si Miss Taguig, si Miss Baguio, si Miss Taguig, si Miss Iloilo, si Miss Pampanga. Oh my God, there's a lot of candidates who are really deserving to win the crown. And of course, to those lady who will crown to be Miss Universe Philippines 2023, I hope that, guys, if ever na hindi po na mamananalo yung manok ninyo, kasi we don't really know what really happened. And of course, ang daming mga dark horse, ang dami talagang magagaling din, guys, na mga baguhan na talagang akala mo talagang they are all fitted. And of course, si yung Coca-Cola body, guys. So gusto ko rin yun, guys. So mga kabeshi ko, mga kamarites ko, doon na po tayo sa exciting part. Kasi syempre alam naman natin, alam ko na alam ninyo na talagang may sarili-sarili tayong manok pagdating sa beauty pageant. And of course, alam din naman natin na talagang matindi ang labanan ngayon. Yes, of course, I can see that the fight is on fire. And you know, as you can see talagang they are all on the top. And of course, like Atisa win Miss International in Japan on last 2018, if I'm not mistaken. So it's been for 5 years, and of course Atisa saying that on her interview na this is the time. It's been for a long time. I'm waiting for 5 years. And then talagang yung mga kasama niya nagpupush talaga na ilaban natin to, na talagang baka hindi lang baka, talagang they are hoping and they're all make sure that mananalo si Miss Atisa. And of course, as I can see, talagang aura of Miss Atisa Manalo was fantastic. The looks is different than Miss International, kasi nakikita naman natin sa Miss International, besh, parang mga ganitong aurahan, mga manika, besh, mga talagang maputi na talagang aurang Miss International. Iba ang taste sa Miss International. So what the glam of Miss Atisa did is just like it twisted na talagang ibang aura naman si Atisa. Guys, isa pa itong kandidata na ito coming from Taguig, si Christy McGarry. Talagang she's really absolutely total package. The communication skill was perfect. The aura is perfect. The passion, the styling of the gown was perfect. And of course, the way she walked, the pasarela was amazing. And of course, talagang she's so strong. Really, Christy McGarry, Miss Universe Taguig, was on my pick, and she's really deserving to win the crown like Atisa Manalo. And of course, Miss Iloilo, the pass forward, you know, Miss Iloilo, the pass of Miss Iloilo was really amazing, kasi nga talagang she worked hard on it. She's athletic, to those people who doesn't know. And of course, she's accounting, administration, and of course laki talaga siya sa kanyang lula. And of course, nagpagdaanan niya yung hirap ng buhay. So talagang focus siya on advocacy, on anti-bullying. And of course, talagang talaga siya yung mahal, yung talagang super mahal niya ang lula niya, which is talagang rin ako sa kanya, naantig rin ang puso ko sa kanya dahil sa mga karanasan niya sa buhay, yung pininto ng lula niya. So I really wanted to make a video of Miss Iloilo, Miss Atisa, Miss Christy McGarry, and of course Miss Pampanga. Miss Baguio was fantastic. Miss Baguio on the conference that happened on Miss Universe, the first appearance conference that they made it, was fantastic, kasi nga hotspot talaga si Baguio, dahil talagang aurahan ni Baguio, talagang ang gusto ko lang talaga sana yung communication skill niya ay talagang on the top, on the fire din, kasi guys, mga kamaritis, mga kabesh, talaga ang galing niya mga kabesh, aurahan niya, ang ganda-ganda, talagang aura, looks, talagang mukha panglaban talaga siya sa Latin country, mga ka-guys, lumalaban ng aurahan niya, para siyang si guys, talagang aura. And of course, talagang naantig ang puso ko talaga kay Miss Iloilo. And of course, si Miss Baguio, ang ganda ng aurahan niya, para siyang si Miss Paraguay, Miss Universe 2023 if I'm not mistaken. Talagang si Miss Paraguay 2022, mga kabesh, talagang ang aurahan niya, aura siya, mga kabesh. Ang talagang inaano ko lang na sana yung communication skill niya, sana mahasa siya ng mahasa, kasi talagang pasarila, lakad, walk, and of course yung body niya konting payat lang, besh, aura na. And of course si Miss Taguig, mga kabesh, talagang naano ako sa kanya, kasi Christy McGarry, talagang naano ako talaga sa aurahan niya, mga kabes, kasi aura siya, mga kabes, ang hubog ng katawan niya, ang aura niya. So talagang ang daming kandidata talaga, mga kabes, na talagang they are all deserving. So doon na tayo sa excitement part, mga kabes. So ito na nga, lumabas yung mabango or sampagita, or hindi ko alam kung amoy apoy ba, talagang umuusok ang mga sa social media, mga kabis, about the viral video na nangyari. And of course, ating Mami Ann Laban Ubawi lang din siya, kasi binablock nga yung Philippines para sa pageant niya, binablock niya sa Miss Universe. Ngayon, Laban Bawi, open na naman. Of course, tinatanggi niya na naman yung guys, kung walang usok, walang lalabas, guys. At of course, hindi yun lalabas kung walang marites doon sa dapat nag-ingat sila kung gusto lang talaga nilang hindi marinig ng ibang tao, 'di ba? Yung sinasabi sinasabi nila. Parang ano lang, decor lore lang guys, parang mga ito lang, mga parang mga bulaklak din lang din naman pala yung mga plus size, mga transgender, mga mother, mga pregnant woman, mga 'di ba, age limit ano na, kahit 100 years old ka pa, as long as you really wanted to be a Miss Universe, and as long as you have an advocacy and you fight for your own advocacy and for womanism, so talagang pwede ka guys. Pero ang tanong, mananalo ka ba? Talagang on last 2023 Miss Colombia getting on the top 5, she's so lucky to get on the top 5. I realizing now that even before naman guys, na talagang inopen nila na no age limit na, no height na, no mother and unmarried woman, and of course what do we call this one, transgender. Tapos yun, talagang pinasok nila lahat. Alam kong hindi mananalo talaga guys. Parang nasa utak ko na talaga na gagamitin lang to para sa business, kasi business is business. It's not about beauty pageant anymore. It's about, you know, connected to make a strong, parang hindi sila malugi guys, kasi nga billion yung halaga ng ano guys. Ngayon hati na sila nung may-ari na ano, 'di ba, half na sila ng yung Mexico, yung Latin na lalaki na ano, businessman din yun, na half American. So talagang ibang level na po ang mangyayari sa Miss Universe. So we expect na talagang mananalo sila, pero hindi. Kukunin din nila yung dalaga at of course yung talagang deserving. Pero para sa akin, anong silbi pa, 'di ba? Kaya nga may mga mangilan-ngilan na talagang hindi na sumali, talagang nag-ano sila, nawalan sila ng gana kasi nga doon sa leak video. And of course si Mami Ann, panay tanggi guys, hindi yan lalabas kung walang nag-leak ng video na yan. So the more na magtatanggi siya, dapat oo na lang siya, no, 'di ba? Kasi may video na hindi mo pwedeng i-edit yun guys. So yun talaga ang napaka saklap na nangyayari. And of course si Miss Venezuela, talagang her daughter super supportive talaga sa kanya when she get crowned Miss Venezuela 2024. Talagang nandoon yung daughter niya ang talagang support sa kanyang mommy, and it was too sudden na yun nga, hindi manalo yung mga ganong factor, yung mga ganon. It was too sudden, saklap sa mga sasali na size plus, na transgender. Even before naman when Katrina Gray, 'di ba, 2018 in Thailand, 'di ba, si Mrs. Pin, 'di ba, transgender. So talagang inano niya yung plug niya sa sahig guys, 'di ba? Parang parang ang sorte ko na nandito ako sa entablado at nakawalk ako at being a transgender woman representing to LGBTQ and I or Q and O, basta gano'n na yun guys. So talagang happy na siya doon. So parang doon lang na represent niya yung bansa niya, hindi na siya nag-expect na mananalo. So parang ganun din yun guys, to those candidates who are competing like a transgender, a mother with a child, a pregnant woman, or yung parang lulang-lula na, yung mga not on 40s na 50s. So if you are representing your country or competing in a local pageant to representing your country, so be happy na lang, be contented, kasi yun yung real talk natin, na hindi kayo kumbaga palamuti na lang kayo, maaring makapasok sa top 5, top 2, first runner-up, but not on the crown. Kasi nga, yun, di ba, yung link video na ganun na nga daw na pwede. Tapos, di ba, yung isa pa nagsabi na, pwede na pala akong sasali, di ba? Di wow. So, yun mga kabesh, and of course, mga kamaritis ko, mga kalabli OFW, mga kabesh ko, talagang happy ako sa nangyari, na ang dami talagang gustong sumali. Nung una haka-haka lang, tapos ngayon ang dami talaga, parang lahat sila mga strong contender talaga, mga kabeshi best. Ang communication skill na lang, and of course wag tayong kumbaga padala sa ating mga himutok. Kung sino man nanalo guys, please support na lang natin. Wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Parang sa ibang neighboring country natin, 'di ba, na talagang super sila sa Thailand, super support sila. Pero hindi ko rin naman na masasabing super support sila, 'di ba? Kasi may ibang beauty queen naman na Miss Universe na hindi nila sinuportahan, 'di ba? Pagdating pag-uwi, walang man lang bumati, or parang wala lang nangyari, 'di ba? So sana hopefully ang Miss Universe Philippines 2024, to those gonna win the crown, I hope that it will be a good fight, na natin guys, suportahan natin, na hindi lang dahil sa siya yung nanalo, hindi siya yung manok mo tapos hindi mo na siya bigyan ng chance. So, pagbigyan natin ng chance guys at kailangan nating suportahan. Yun yung parang essence of being a Filipino to support our candidate, our beauty queen, whatever it takes. Kung hindi manalo, kung manalo man, you're lucky enough. Kung manalo yung manok mo, you're lucky enough. If not, so just support na lang and don't bash like Michelle Day. You know, Michelle Day, what really happened on last 2023, it was too tough for Michelle Day because there's a lot of basher that's saying na, oh, hindi siya makapasok. So look at Michelle Day, di ba? Nakapasok talaga, nakatuntong talaga siya sa top 10. Which is, it's really a an honor to us to have a beauty queen like, you know, Pia Worksba, Catriona Gray, so Miss World, Megan Young, so Miss International. So we have a lot of candidates who are really, we proud of it. And of course, guys, talagang support na lang tayo sa ating mga kandidata. I know that every one of us have a candidate, have a beauty queen to represent our country. And of course, support na lang tayo. Yun na lang yung magagawa natin. And of course, yung sa viral video na scandal, sana mabigyan ng ma-enlighten si Mami Ann. I know Mami Ann have a good heart. I know that it will happen talaga na nag-try door talaga to leak that video. And I know that there's a reason behind that. I believe that because, you know, Miss Universe right now, it's not about, you know, it's covered with business. You know, it's not growing if without business. This is the real talk, guys. Kaya nga in-expand nila, 'di ba? As you can see, you know, it's not a Miss Universe already. It's Hello Universe. So we just to accept the real thing that it happened in Miss Universe. You know, Mami Ann always saying, even before when she bought the Miss Universe, diba? Hello Universe. So it's really expand. It's really make more, you know, connected by, it's not only the Miss, but it's for the universe, Hello Universe. So yun yung aspeto ng buhay na dapat nating tanggapin, guys. And of course, support na lang tayo whatever it happen, kung manalo man ang Pilipinas, kung hindi. So we're still on the support for those candidates who will win the crown. So, yun na nga mga kabes. So, maghintay-hintay na lang tayo kung sa mga kaganapan sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024. And of course, maghintay na lang din tayo kasi nga naglabas na rin ng statement si Mami Ann that video was, you know, exposing in social media is not, hindi daw totoo, ang dami daw allegation, blah blah. And so, ang dami niyang hugot sa buhay. So, alam na din naman natin kung ano yung totoo. So, hopefully na sana maging okay, na lahat yung mangyayaring Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Universe 2024 in Mexico. And of course, we are hoping na sana makuha natin yung VIP crown, and we're just like, you know, push hard na ano natin yung kandidata natin, ilaban natin, na ano natin, kumbaga suportahan natin ang bawat isa, the 55 candidate who will be crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2024. And of course, dapat walang awayan ng mga kabes, dapat suportahan na lang natin kung sino yung mananalo man ang manok nyo o hindi. So dapat happy na lang tayo, enjoy na lang natin. And of course, alam naman natin napaka-top ng competition dahil nga itong si Mami Ann, syempre may-ari, dalawa na, pipi na sila, yung half Latina and half American. So talagang it was really, the fight is on fire talaga mga kabes. So what we should do, na sana behave lang tayo. And of course si Mami Ann, diba, laban o bawi sa social media, alam naman natin, nakikita naman natin na binablock tayo sa Miss Universe, and then maybe she really realizing that, you know, kailangan tayo dahil talagang we are on the top in terms of Miss Universe, big fan, in terms of viewers, and in terms of supporting the queen. So talagang nakikita natin lahat yun mga kabes. So I'm very happy for that how we strong stood for our queen. And of course, talagang happy tayo sa mga nangyayari mga kabesh. And of course, si Mami Ann naman, naglabas na ng statement. Yung paulit-ulit lang takot sa video ko, guys, mga kabesh, kasi hindi ako makamove on about that viral scandal video in Miss Universe. And of course, yun yung hugot niya na hindi talaga niya inaamin. So, doon na lang tayo, mag-hold na lang tayo kung totoo o laban o bawi. So mga kabesh, talagang behave lang tayo mga kabesh, dahil nga, di ba, nasa kamay niya ang kapangyarihan ng apoy. Char! Ganon. So, yun mga kabes. So, yun. Update na lang tayo sa mga kaganapan, and to those people who are still not yet and subscribe my channel, just please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo mga kamaritis, mga kabeshi ko, mga ka-OFW ko sa mga kaganapan sa Besh Universe. And of course, ang ating video, ang ating vlog, it's not all about beauty queens, but it's all about the universe, and of course the world, the Miss International, Miss Grand, and everything na kailangan talaga showbiz balita. So update din tayo, and of course mag-post din tayo, mag-ano rin tayo ng video reaction about Jacqueline Husi, how really talagang I'm very proud Jacqueline Husi, yung naambag niya sa industriya ng pelikula. Talagang alam natin na best actress siya sa ibang country, international, and of course we proud to Jacqueline Husi, our beloved Jacqueline Husi. So talagang namayapa na siya, and of course yung mga memories niya nandoon pa rin guys, yung mga ginagawa niyang pelikula, yung naiambag niya sa pelikulang Pilipino. So she really the one who are talagang best actress. It's not about the being a best actress, but about a family-oriented. Talagang she stood herself to be single na lang kasi para sa kaligayahan ng anak niya. Kumbaga, inaano niya na di bali nang maging single siya, basta yung anak niya hindi kumbaga masuportahan niya, yung mapagtuunan niya ng pansi, kumbaga ma-focus siya sa anak niya. So, hindi inayaan na lang siya, nilit go na lang niya na ma-in love ulit, which is talagang real yun guys. So yun lang mga kabis. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel, just click subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell para always updated ka on my latest video. That's all. Be love, be kind to others, and of course respect each other. So that's the content of be happy, diba? If you really want to be happy, so just sit free, be kind, and respect to each and everyone, and of course just spread love.